Yeah, I had a very nice upbringing. I've never been poor. A lot of people claim to be poor, and then it's just yeah, a lot of people claim to be poor, but they're just chatting shit. But yeah, like I was never poor, but obviously I didn't have like money. They didn't give me money to start. They didn't give me like a bunch of money to just start and figure everything out. I figured out everything, basically started from zero, but I never had to worry about like a roof being over my head. I never had to worry about food, anything like this. So yeah, like I was started from essentially a very privileged position, but I didn't get a handout, anything like this. Yeah, I made it out of the hood. Not in any way, shape, or form. Not in any way, shape, or form. But if I didn't do anything, I would have just lived the same life. I would have never left my town. I would have never left the UK. I would have just got a normal life, two kids, one wife. I would have earned no more than 50 grand take home in my entirety of my life. Like, if I didn't do anything, I didn't actually take action, didn't actually do something interesting. So I went out and did something interesting because I was bored in the 9 to 5 stuff. And yeah.